This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread quick. Quick breads are a fantastic way to enjoy freshly baked goods without the long wait. Unlike traditional yeast breads, these recipes rely on chemical leavening agents such as baking powder or baking soda. This means no kneading and no lengthy rising times, making them perfect for busy schedules. You can have a delicious loaf ready for the oven in under 15 minutes of prep time. Let's talk about the essential ingredients for quick bread. You'll need all-purpose flour for structure and a leavening agent like baking powder or baking soda to make it rise. Liquids, such as milk or buttermilk, hydrate the dry ingredients and activate the leaveners. Don't forget a touch of fat, like melted butter or vegetable oil, to ensure your bread is wonderfully moist and tender. A little sugar often balances the flavors too. The key to a perfect quick bread lies in the mixing technique. First, combine all your dry ingredients in one bowl, ensuring they are well distributed. In another bowl, whisk together all the wet ingredients. Then, gently pour the wet mixture into the dry. Mix just until everything is combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing is the enemy here, as it can lead to a tough, chewy texture. Once your batter is mixed, pour it into a greased loaf pan or muffin tin. Bake at around 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 60 minutes for a loaf, or 20 to 25 minutes for muffins. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool on a wire rack for at least 10 minutes before slicing and enjoying your delicious, homemade quick bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.